class train in France, Euro train. Comfortable seats, big comfortable seats. Has this table, footrest, things to put in, some kind of cabinet here, a little shelf here, big shelf there. Let's go. Luggage compartment. Oh, someone is inside. Yeah, so this is the first class. It was only like by $20, no, like $10 more expensive than the regular class. So I got this. We're gonna ride to Reims, the Champagne region, for about 45 minutes. Yeah, very nice, very smooth train ride. And you can order some foods here, I think.